What's up guys, today I'm going to introduce you Anki software. Anki software, so first of all I would like to show you from start. You can download Anki software from this website. Okay, here is the main page of Anki software. So you can use it on Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone or Android, and development option is here, so you can change it. As you know, it is an open source software, so it is free and you can use easily. After downloading, you need to install it, and then this shape of Anki will be shown in front of you. I'm going to give you the basic information of Anki software. First of all, you need to create profiles here. So one person can use different profiles. As I have created many, you can see here how you can differentiate your work into different decks. So as I have created one deck here, one profile here, sorry. In this profile you can not even get decks from their shared webs. This is the link of their shared decks. So you can learn any languages, and here are these decks are shared by people all over the world, and people are downloading them and rating them and using them. These are few buttons on the top side and bottom side, and first of all this button is needed. You can click on this button for creating a deck. You can write anything, the name of the deck, and you can create also the sub deck. There are two ways for creating sub decks. First, you can write deck name and two columns, and then the sub deck name. There is a plus sign is attached. Just click on it, and here is the sub deck. Another way is to create sub deck is you can create the main deck and then drag it and drop under the main deck. So Ahmed is also the sub deck, this is also the sub deck. This is how you can create sub decks and decks in Anki software. The next step is to create cards in your deck. So choose any deck in which you want to create cards, then click on add, and first of all you will see the basic option in which you can write question and answer, question on the front side and answer on the back side. And here is the name of the deck and sub deck. So you can write question here and answer on the back side, and then add the card. And yes, you can also tag. Only once you need to write the tag, and then after adding one card you don't need to write again the tag. You can create as many cards as you want to create, then close it, and here is the history button. You can see how many cards have been created, and if you want to modify any card you can click on it, and you can do that. Then close it, and here is one card has been added into your Ahmed subdeck. By clicking on it you can study it, and here is the option. What does PK mean? You can think over it and answer it in your mind as you wish. Then you can show the answer, and if you don't know the answer is wrong, then you can click on again, and it will ask you again. So if there are multiple questions, so it will ask other questions, and then in 1 minute it will ask this question again. So hard mean 6 minutes, and good means it will ask you again this question in 10 minutes, and so on. The time will be changing. This is how you can add create decks and add cards, and you can export by clicking on setting and export deck. So if you don't want scheduling information to include, you can uncheck this and export the deck and send to anyone, or you can sync it by creating a Anki web account and password. You can sign up by clicking here. So browse section is the section where all the cards will be shown and all the decks will be shown there. So you can modify any card, delete, and etc. And secondly, the main feature, to get new add-ons, you can click on it and click on get add-ons, and there will be a code as image occlusion add-ons. You can search by naming it on Google, and Anki website will be shown on the top. Then code will be mentioned on the top and at the bottom as well, somewhere here. So you can copy it from anywhere and then pasting it and clicking OK, and the add-ons will be added. As image occlusion enhanced already added, so it might update, and then you need to close it. And so I will create another video in which I will explain all the functions of Anki software deeply, so you can learn from my channel. Okay, take care.